Oh my God, the wind's not blowing like 50 miles an hour. It's amazing. It is blowing in a different direction from the east. The last week it's blown from the west. Maybe it'll calm down to nothing. It's gonna be chilly today. I think a high of 55, and then it's gonna gradually warm up into the 70s. But we're gonna have some more wind. I'm gonna have to crawl up on the roof today. I need to fix that topper awning that goes over the slide out. They call them toppers. When the Starlink got thrown over the top of the RV, the cord, the cable to Starlink wedged itself right in there and ripped a hole in that awning. Need to fix that because the wind will just keep blowing it and keep tearing it. So we had to put Starlink down here on the ground. I had it just right up there, and the cable is coming out from underneath the floor right here on the Starlink. So I just ran the cable up alongside the RV for the time being. That didn't work. The wind picked it up and flung it on the other side. Well, we went and got the DRZ out and put some more slime. I put just a little bit of slime in it in this rear tire yesterday, and it didn't seem to do much good. So I put some more in it and rode around a little bit right after I put it in, and then aired up the tire, the tube. I rode up and down the street to sling all the slime everywhere. So hopefully, and I aired it up to 30 something pounds, which is like 3 times as much air as I usually put in there. So hopefully now that slime will get wherever it was leaking and plug that hole. All it is little pieces of Teflon and that green goo stuff. Starting to look for another rear tire. Definitely need to order one here soon. Front tire I think is doing okay. It's not cupping or anything. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. But I don't put hardly any air in this tire. So definitely need a new rear tire. Might as well go ahead and find one and order it. Kiki even spent some time outside today. Now that the wind's calmed down. The birds over here, they've been tearing up the feeder, I noticed. Which is good. She sits there, she likes sitting in the window and watching them. That's why I put it here. Alright, let's get our gear together and maybe go for a short ride.